Recently, a new category of videos has started appearing on social media where it's almost impossible to tell that they were generated by AI. They look like something that took a lot of time to produce and feels as if it was carefully created by hand. For example, a cinematic fight scene between two characters that looks completely realistic. What's surprising is that a video like this can actually be created in about 1 minute. These kinds of videos can quickly capture people's attention online. But the real question is, how can you create a video with this level of quality? The Seedance 2.0 model is a new model that has been added to the video production system. Its focus is on producing more natural videos, smoother movements, and better details. This model has been added to the ChatArt platform. Now with ChatArt, I can ideate, write scripts, create images, and turn those images into videos. It has all the features in one place. The Seedance 2.0 model is also one of its most exciting parts for video creation. Let's test it together. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. As always, the link to our tool is in the description. After entering the site, the first thing you need to do is log into your account. Then, from the top bar of the page, click on the Seedance 2.0 option. You will enter the video creation section where you can generate the video you want. Make sure the model is set to Seedance 2.0. Next, you need to provide an image as a source so that it can give you a much better output. I am now uploading my image. There is another mode where you specify the first frame and the last frame, and the model creates all the frames in between. You choose according to what you want. I upload my image, then write the description of the video, and the more details you provide, the better the output. Then you select the video length, the size, and that's it. Generate. What matters here is how the movements are handled and the naturalness of the details. Now the video is ready, the movements are smooth, the lighting is more natural, and there are no typical AI-style effects. You can easily upload this video to your YouTube channel or Instagram page and get a lot of views. Or we can see another example together to really understand the power of this tool. This time, I use the first frame and last frame mode, meaning I upload the first frame myself and choose what the last frame should be. The model will generate the frames in between. I upload my images, then write my video description, select the video length and size, and generate it. Check out the result yourself. It managed to create the video very accurately. The output is clean and requires no special editing and is ready to publish. Now, let's try another example using the first frame and last frame workflow. In this case, I will upload an image of a young plant as the first frame, and for the last frame, I will upload an image of a fully bloomed flower. The model will then generate all the frames between these two images. This allows us to create a realistic video showing the entire growth process of the plant, from a small sprout to the formation of a bud, and finally to a fully opened flower. The result looks like something captured by a professional nature photographer using time-lapse photography. As we can see, the video is now ready. Under the video, there are several options available. I can download the video, extend it to create a longer version, regenerate it using the redo option, share it, or simply delete it if I want. Everything is very simple and professional to use. In the end, Seedance 2.0 has shown how professional it is and how it can create realistic videos at a professional level. Movements are smooth, details are very realistic, and the outputs are ready to use and publish. If you also want to work with this tool, I have put the ChatArt link in the description so you can enter and test it yourself. And if you want to discover new AI tools before anyone else and learn how to make money from them, definitely subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss the next videos. See you in the next video, my friend.